man accused of murdering and kidnapping 4-year-old Bokgabo Poo will spend the festive season behind bars. Ntokozo Zikhali appeared before the Benoni Magistrates Court. He's been charged with murder, rape, kidnapping, defeating the ends of justice, and violation of a corpse. The 4-year-old's body was found last month after she was kidnapped from a park in Wattville. The case has been remanded to the 14th of February 2023 for trial. Speaking outside the court, Bokgabo Poo's mother, Tsholofelo Poo, says she welcomes the postponement for further investigations.
The way Bokgabo made noise about her being brutally killed, her disappearing, the way people came together, the way the nation received the news, that's where I draw my strength, because at this point in time, I can't be weak for her. I must also try help the police with as much least as possible. I must remember who Matlakala is, that woman that stayed in Tambo where the leg was found. I must also do my own investigations on the side, because it's known in South Africa that police usually fail us. So I must be on par with police every time they do investigations. So there's no time for me to be weak. I have to be strong for her because I want justice, and I want this thing to save all the other kids, because we didn't know of such a thing in Whiteville. We knew they were happening in other areas, but we were not too attached to the case. It's so unfortunate that it had to be my daughter at the end of the day, and it had to be at a park where I'm the sector head of environment. You know, I've said time and time again, let us fence the parks, let us have security, people who are looking after kids at the parks, because we black. I don't have the money to afford the swing that she is attracted to whenever she goes to the shop, you know. So imagine a child missing at 4 o'clock. It's a time where kids are supposed to be playing. Bokgabo went missing when other kids were playing there, and it's up to us as a society to keep the kids safe.
Ntokozo Zikhali, the chairperson of the Traditional Healers Organization, has spoken out against claims that baby Bokgabo's killing may have been a traditional ritual.
There's nothing like body parts working. We're using herbs only, nothing else but herbs to cure people who are sick. And then, since our government recognized this satanism, a lot of things are happening, and all those things are pointing on us as traditional healers, because government doesn't want to know us. And then even if we want to make ourselves available for government, the government ignore us. He goes with the churches always. Even if there is the events, they invite us as traditional healers, but they won't recognize us in that event. They will recognize these churches. So that is why people are blackmailing us as traditional healers that we are the killers. We are not. And then we are not going to kill anyone to cure anybody.
Veronica Magwadi, Eyewitness News, Benoni.